Day 3 looks maxing. Start with my facial cleansing. I use Kojic soap because I'm used to it. And let's move on to my skincare product that I bought that we will be using. Let's start with serum. I use this serum to help my face with blackheads and acne marks. I hope this product I'm using will be effective. Next with sunscreen. This is my sister's sunscreen. Shout out to my sister. I never used sunscreen before because I'm lazy to use this, but they say it is important, so I'm using it from now on. After that, I will be doing my home workout routine. Start with 5 minutes stretching and warm up. Today is back day. Do some pull-ups. By the way, this is skincare product that I'll be using. Let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestion.